Hello, Jimbo. Today we got a lesson. This is not a performance, this is a lesson. And I'm going to show you a summer song, a really cool summer song, because that's one of the coolest things to have around the pool, wherever you are. I'm here in the Caribbean just so I can show you these summer songs so you'll know that they're fun to play and get out there and play them. Today we're going to try Jimmy Buffett's Margaritaville. Now, it's an over-requested song, but it really is a simple song, and it's a great song for you to play and to add it to your repertoire, to say, hey, I have a Jimmy Buffett song in my playlist. That's always cool. And the easiest one is Margaritaville. There's a little bit of technique to it in some places, but for the most part, you're gonna need a D, and you're gonna need a G, and you're gonna need an A. Let's get through this and see what we can do. So, when you're starting in D, and hopefully, now here in the Caribbean, things might be on the left, might be on the right, I don't know where we are, but this is where the chords should be. So if you're seeing the chords here, great, these will help you out. But we're gonna start in D, and when you have the D, there's a little bit of thing you can do, because the D trill, I call it, this is how I do it. I kind of lift off on these fingers. So, you hear that? That's the beginning of the song, so recognizable, everybody knows it. Instead of just, so it is a part of a strum pattern and a hammer off or pull off and hammer on. So, now you do the same thing when you get to A. So you go from the D to A. See? Now I like to get from the D, when I'm going down from the D to the G, instead of just going to the D to the G, I like to go to a D minor. So, there's a wasting away again in Margaritaville. Now, let's go back to the basics of this, okay? So start it off with that D, and then you're gonna go to an A, and you do the same thing, and it's kind of cool. And then if you notice, my index finger doesn't move at all. Look at this, look at this. See, I go from here. Isn't that cool? So you don't even have to like move your hand too far around. So, now, without the lyrics, and again, I'm trying not to get any copyright, because even in the Caribbean, they'll yell at you because they don't want you to be taking other people's songs, melodies, or chords, or anything else. But if I can show you this, talk it through maybe, so it's nibbling on sponge cake and watching the sunbathe. All those tourists covered with, and you go to A right there, oil, see? I'm strumming my 6-string on my front porch swing. Smell those shrimp, they're beginning to boil. And here's where I go to the D7, then you come up to G, and you say, wasted away again in Margaritaville. Back down to D's minor. I'm searching for my lost shaker of salt. You can yell pepper and pepper and pepper. Some people claim that there's a woman, and you come back to A, woman to blame. But I know, back to A, it's my own damn fault, or somebody's fault, or whoever's fault. Then you can go into all the lyrics. It's the exact same thing over and over again. And I guess there is no E in there, it's just an A. Just a little slide there on the D. Fun song, great song. Those chords, put it together, and you'll have, put the lyrics in front of you someplace. If you have to write them down, just pull them up on some sort of a channel someplace, and you'll find the actual lyrics. I can't put the lyrics in here because that too is considered copyright, and I respect that. So if you play that through, those 3 chords will get you through it. Now, I add that D minor in there because it does get me to that G in a little bit different way. And there's so many different things. Now, that's the lesson. I'll do a quick playthrough on it, and this playthrough will be on a separate video because it probably will get yelled at and say, hey, don't do this, but it's still going to be a lesson. But I have to do it that way. So this video is all about showing you the chords. The next video will be about playing along with the song. So we'll do it that way and see how things go. So anyway, this is Ohio Jimbo, and if I don't see you out there, be nice to see you here in the Caribbean. I'll see you in here. That's it. There's your Margaritaville lesson from the beautiful shores of the Caribbean.